Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers again with you with another hopefully interesting lesson. This is part 2 of my lessons on a song from Charles Wesley Godwin called Strawberry Queen. Hopefully you'll have sorted out part 1 by now and got the intro under your belt. So what we're going to do in this part 2 is the rest of the song, which is the verses and the chorus, okay? And this is somewhat easier than the intro because there's not so much fiddly bits in there, and the chords are basically the same that you've already had. That's a C chord, a G chord, an F major 7, and the only addition is an A minor, which we use in the chorus. Okay, now there is obviously, as we're going through the verse, he does use a lot of this hammering on the C, the G and the F major 7th. Okay, so okay, all the same on the F major 7. So that's that C chord, root note, strum, open 4th to 2nd hammer, strum. It's like, okay, and the same on the G chord, root note, bottom E string, 3rd fret, strum, open 5th string to 2nd on the 5th hammer, strum, like you did on the intro. And the F major 7th is exactly the same sort of thing. F major 7th chord, 4th string, strum, open 3rd string, hammer into the 2nd fret, strum. And he puts those in. It's rather random. If you listen to the original, you'll hear it there quite often, but you could play it without doing that, but it is quite, he does it quite often on the actual original version, okay, and you'll hear it when I'm doing it, hopefully, okay. So I'm in standard tuning, and I've got the capo on the 3rd fret, exactly the same as I did for part 1, okay. So this is the verse, so coming out of the intro. Never would have guessed it in 100 years or more. I met a lowland angel like I've never seen before. So there's the first 2 lines for you, okay? So C chord, never would have never guessed it in 100 years or more. I met a lowland angel like I've never seen before. See, that's all that. And when you get to the G, it's that. I didn't do it on the F major 7th, but you could do, okay, whichever, just as you feel it, as you're comfortable doing it, or don't bother at all. Okay, so once again, first two lines. I never would have guessed it in 100 years or more. I met a lowland angel like I'd never seen before. The next 2 lines, same. To go up where the sun don't run all across the sky, sweetened her up nice like strawberry wine. I crowned her in my mind, oh my strawberry queen. Okay, so on the second part of the verse, it does 3 lots of F major 7th to C, okay? Where it goes, this is the second half of the first verse. She grew up with sundown run all across the sky, sweetened her up nice like strawberry wine. I crowned her in my mind, oh my strawberry queen. Right, now, and then it does the intro again, just for fun, okay? So when it comes out of that, strawberry queen, do another one. So do that hammer on the 4th string again. And then, and what you do then is you do that hammer on the open 5th string to the 2nd fret, and then you go into that 3rd fret of the 5th string on the C chord, strum. So it goes, where it goes, strawberry queen. Right. It's a bit tricky to get that in. There's a bit of practice there. Strawberry cream. Got to quickly get, it's just like the intro, right? But other than that, just build up to it. And just to simplify it and do that. Open A string, second on the A, back into the C. To make it simpler, okay? Strawberry cream. That makes it a lot simpler than trying to do the hammers, but it's up to you. You can try and hammer it like you did on the intro, but simpler way is just to go. Okay, and then the second verse is exactly the same as the first verse, okay? So we'll go through the whole first two verses, okay, hopefully, including the instrumental in the middle. After verse 1, intro, then verse 2. And then we'll just show you the chorus and you've got the whole song sorted. Okay, so here we go. From the end to the intro, our first verse. Never would have guessed it in 100 years or more. I met a low-down angel like I'd never seen before. She grew up where the sun don't run all across the sky, sweetened her up nice like strawberry wine. I crowned her in my mind, oh my strawberry queen. Second verse. I ain't cut out for royalty, never saw myself a king. Bluebird in these veins, just a man and boy with dreams. I got caught up in a love affair, stormed out in the Gulf. Like high winds up my ducks, and the water rusts my locks. My weight breaks on the rocks for my strawberry queen. Okay, so see, verse 2 plays exactly the same as verse 1 with different words, obviously. Now we go into the chorus. The only thing left is the chorus, okay? So when you come out of that last line where it goes, weight breaks on the rocks for my strawberry queen, into the chorus, okay? So when you come out of that strawberry queen, okay, do that progression from the C down to the A minor. So strawberry queen. So you do that once, you do that strawberry C queen. Then you go down to the 2nd fret, 5th string, keeping the first finger on that 2nd string there. So it's strawberry queen. So you do that first on the second on the 5th string, hit that 5th string, strum. Okay, so it's strawberry queen. Then into open A string, A minor, 5th string open, A minor. I ain't the first to pledge my G service to the crown. And you do the same again, use a crown. Back to the run down to the A minor again. So it goes strawberry queen. I ain't the first to pledge my service to the crown. I ain't the service to pass the letter down. Treasonous fools never come around this town. I've caught my fist to give them hell and stand my ground. So it's the same all the way through that. It's where it goes queen. I ain't the first to pledge my service to the crown. I know her subjects in the past have let her down. Reasoners, fools, never come around this town. Right through my fist and give 'em hell and stand my ground. For my, now this is the end bit, A minor. Sorry, now this is the fiddly bit. It's like when you come down that C rundown as usual, it goes hell and stand my ground for my strawberry queen, my strawberry queen. Okay, that's the end two lines. Okay, so it goes hell and stand my ground as usual for my A minor. So it's an A minor, but you hammer in that. Take your first finger off the second string. Originally you play the A sus2 and hammer into the A minor. And then you put your pinky on the top E string, third fret, and then off. G, strawberry queen for my strawberry queen. Got that? And that does that twice. Okay. So the chorus again, very slowly. Comes out at verse 2 where it goes Whippets on the rocks for my strawberry queen. I ain't the first to pledge my service to the crown. I know her subjects in the past have let her down. Treacherous fools never come round this town. Alright, through my fist and give 'em hell until it's ground for my strawberry queen, for my strawberry queen. Alright, and then basically what happens then, he just as like it does between verse 1 and 2. Strawberry queen. It just does the intro again, yeah? Strawberry queen. Oh, sorry. Strawberry queen. Then obviously it goes into verse 3 and has another chorus, and then he just does another intro and finishes. Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully you should be able to play along with him, no problem with that. Okay, thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in another song. Bye for now.